Let us see the next question. X Limited has following capital structure. So information is provided about the capital structure of a company. Equity share capital is 5 lakhs. 15% preference share capital of 3 lakhs. 10% of debentures is 2 lakhs. So the total capital employed is an amount of 10 lakhs. Income tax rate is 40%. Cost of equity is 20%. Operating income is 4 lakhs. You are required to calculate. The first question is calculate the cost of debt financing. Second question is cost of preference share capital. Third question is overall cost of capital or weighted average cost of capital. Fourth question is calculate the amount of the retained earning assuming that rate of equity dividend equals to cost of equity. Or there is another question that I would like to read later on. I want you to make calculation of question number 1 to question number 4 and put your answer in the chat box. So the first question is calculation of cost of debt financing. It is rate of interest into 1 minus tax rate. Rate of interest is provided as 10%. Income tax rate is 40%. So 10% into 0.6, that comes to 6%. That is the cost of debt financing. The second question is calculation of cost of preference share. It is the rate of preference dividend, that is 15%. That is the KP. The third is a weighted average or overall cost of capital. In that we will have the first column as say the source of finance. So column number 1 is source of finance. Column number 2 is amount. Third column is weight or proportion. Next column is cost. And the last column is weight into cost. In source of finance we will have equity share capital, preference share capital and debentures. Amount of the equity share capital is 5 lakhs. Preference share capital is 3 lakhs and debentures is 2 lakhs. So the total is 10 lakhs. 5 upon 10 is 0.50. 3 upon 10 is 0.30. 2 upon 10 is 0.20. So the total is 1. Multiplied with the respective cost of capital. Cost of equity is given to us in the question 20%. That is provided to us in the example. Cost of debenture and cost of preference share have been calculated by us. Cost of preference share is 15% and cost of debenture is 6%. So 20 into 0.5 is 10. Fifteen into 0.3 is 4.5. 6 into 0.2 is 1.20. And total of all of them will be weighted average or overall cost of capital. That is 15.7%. that is the weighted average or overall cost of capital will be calculated. KP can be calculated if at all we want to find in detail as preference dividend divided by amount. That is the way we can calculate it. Amount of the preference share capital is 3 lakhs into 15% divided by 3 lakhs. That is 0.15. So the answer is 15%. This is the way we can prepare the working note for KP. Fourth question is, calculate the amount of the retained earning assuming that the rate of equity dividend equals to K. That is the question. I want you to make the calculation of the answer and put your answer in the chat box. Answer of the fourth question. Amount of retained earning. In that write down, earning before interest and taxes is an amount of rupees 4 lakhs. Less interest, the amount of the debentures is 2 lakhs. Into rate of interest is 10%. So it is 20,000. Earning before taxes 3,80,000. Income tax rate is 4040%. So 3,80,000 into 0.4, 1,52,000. Earning after taxes 60%, 2,28,000. Less preference dividend 3 lakhs into 15%, 45,000. Earning available to equity shareholders 1,83,000. Amount of equity dividend is 5 lakhs into 20%. That is 1 lakh. So this is retained earning. An amount of 83,000. Please write down answer. Amount of retained earning. Now friends, this is the normal working that we have understood so far. Nothing is great about this. However, now the important point of the question that I want to explain you, that you are required to compute the economic value added. What do we understand with the term economic value added? It means that what is the amount of the earning left with the company after making payment of all financial charges, including payment to the equity shareholders. And that is what we understand is given a technical name as economic value added. This is the amount of the earning which is left with the company, and this is the amount by which technically value of the equity shares is going to go up. As far as the economic value added is concerned, of course you can compute the answer like this. This is what we understand is the economic value added, or otherwise we can make the calculation of the answer by using a formula like this. Everybody is requested to pay attention properly. Calculation of EVA, economic value added. It is calculated as net operating profit after taxes minus capital employed into weighted average cost of capital. That is the way economic value added is found. Net operating profit after taxes is operating income into 1 minus tax rate minus capital employed, that is 10 lakhs, into weighted average cost of capital 15.7%. Dear students, we understand that say this is the operating income, means the amount of the earning of the company before making payment of any financial charges. That is an amount of rupees 4 lakhs. That is converted post tax. 4 lakhs into 1 minus 0.4. That comes to 2,40,000 minus 1,57,000. Dear students, we understand that say this 15.7% is reflecting the effect of all finance, that is say financial charges taken together. It includes not only the equity shares, preference shares, but also the debentures. All of them are included. That is, effect of all fixed financial charges are included over here. Okay. So now you can see 2,40,000 minus 1,57,000, and that comes to 83,000. This is the way economic value added is calculated. Please take down answer. Write on a note for the answer. It is net operating profit after tax. NOPAT. CE stands for capital employed. It includes effect of all, like the it includes all long-term financing and weighted average cost of capital. Write on a note. EVA in bracket write down economic value added is indicating amount of earning of the company after all financial charges. Full stop. It shows amount of earning by which value of equity shares increase. Full stop. This is what we understand is EVA. Friends, in examination we can do answer by either of the method. However, understanding of this formula is very important because many a times information is given such that only this method can be applied.